Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. As promised, today I'm trying out the new veil technique. For my base, I have applied this gorgeous shine nail polish called Lemonhead. And I'm going to be using this beautiful blue polish, also from the same brand, called Winter Dust. We have our water ready, so I'm going to apply 1 drop of the polish. Now I'm going to try using the toothpicks to pinch it from the sides and bring it in. That actually looks really pretty. So I'm going to attempt to place this on my nail. Instead of placing my nail like you would normally do for a water marble, I decided that I wanted to see where I was placing the actual design. So I placed my nail under the design and then carefully using the toothpick lifted my nail up out of the water, holding the design in place. I'll use a Q-tip to collect as much of the water as possible and also to press it down gently onto my nail. With a nail art brush dipped in acetone, I clean off the excess polish. And to make sure that it's completely dry, I carefully pat a tissue paper over the nail. To finish off this nail, I apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. For the rest of my nails, I decided to use my blue stamping polish from Beauty Big Bang. I follow the same steps for all the nails and create beautiful individual unique designs for each nail. Overall, I'm really happy using this new technique. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!